Milwaukee M12 Jigsaw. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it a little bit of both? We don't know. I just got it off Total Tools. Let's test it and let's see. Hi everyone and welcome to Ned's Tool Talk. So this is, as I just said, a brand new model on the Milwaukee lineup. It's a fuel brushless. Fuel means brushless, so entire Milwaukee fuel line, it's brushless. So it's a brushless Jigsaw. It's a new one. They had an old one. I think it's still in production. It might be discontinued soon as well. I had it, not the best one. I upgraded now to this one. I sold the old one. So what do you get with this? You don't get the battery. It comes as a skin only at the moment. You will get the Jigsaw itself. You will get a bag like this. It comes with a Milwaukee blade for a Jigsaw, and it comes with 2 guards. Okay, now let's see. Just put this in here so it doesn't fly away. It's a little bit windy. Of course it does come with instruction manuals and everything. We don't need that. Now Milwaukee claims 3000 SPMs, up to 3000 SPMs, which is strokes per minute. Is it accurate or not? I don't know. Compared to the old one, it must be better because it's brushless. Alright, so let's take a look at the saw itself. It does have a couple of modes. So on top it's got automatic mode, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got automatic mode and 5 other speeds. On the left side, which is very handy if you're right-handed, it's got on and off switch. It's got a dial for oscillations from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and up to 4. On the left side it's gonna have a dust blower, to say so. So it blows dust here off your work surface so you can see where you're cutting, you can see your lines. So it's off and on. On the front you're gonna have a button for LED light and a slide to insert and to take out the blade. Now to insert the blade, it's not an automatic thing that you can just put the blade and it clicks in. You need to pull the lever and then you can insert it. Yeah, but to take it out, it comes out just like that. To get to 45-degree angles and stuff, you're gonna have an Allen bolt here. You undo it and then you slide this like that or like that to get those angles. Also, it's got a plastic padding on the bottom so you don't mar your surfaces. You can take it off and get just a metal one. And I like to leave the plastic one because it saves my surfaces from being damaged. I must say it does feel it feels very nice in the hand. So 3 Ah battery. That's on speed 5, and this is automatic. I think automatic must be load sensing, so as soon as you start pushing into the material, it's gonna increase the strokes. And 6 Ah battery, same thing. I don't like it with 6 Ah. I much prefer it with a smaller battery. It just makes it more compact and nimble. Also, it comes with this dust port that just goes, it's a very long one, just goes like that. It can only go one way, so you can connect your vacuum on the end. Now, the dust port itself is 36mm outside dimension and 30 to 31mm internal dimensions. So let's put some timber in a clamp and let's see how it cuts and performs. Here we have a piece of just 18mm pine. Let's cut into it and let's see how the Jigsaw will perform. So speed, it's actually no speed, it's on automatic setting, 0 oscillations. That's it. That's super easy. The cut is nice. It went through it like a butter. Did not even feel it. And I had the dust blow option on. Now let's see how it would do without. So let's turn this off. Okay. Let's try in number 2 oscillation. Let's try number 4. This is a drastic difference. Okay, so the more, so this is the first cut, and this is the start of a second cut. With no oscillations, this is oscillation on number 2 and this is on number 4. So the more you turn it up, the rougher cut you get, but you get a faster cut. So that's up to you. If you want some nice finishing cut, just keep it without any oscillations. If you need some quick cuts into framing, timber or whatever, you can just go with oscillations and it will do the job very quickly for you. Also, forgot to mention, light button, you get a nice LED light right there. There you go. Now, just from curiosity, I really want to see how it would perform with a 6 amp hour battery into 70 by 45 pine, framing pine. So let's go on number 4 oscillations just for a quick rough cut and let's see how it would do. Automatic mode. Let's wind it up to 5. Too easy. No oscillation. That took significantly longer to cut without oscillations than with the oscillations. It only shows how much improvement that option gives you when you're cutting. So there you go, you saw how it performs with 3 amp hour and how it performs with 6 amp hour battery. Now, what are my thoughts about this Jigsaw? Is it an improvement over the old one or not? 100% improvement. It is a night and day difference, especially when you crank up the oscillations to 2 and 4. It just chews through that timber like butter, literally like through bread. Now, is it worth 259 Australian dollars at Total Tools and Sydney Tools and other retailers in Australia? I don't know, it's subjective. Depends what you do, what's your job. If you're just gonna use it every now and then, probably not. If you're gonna use a Jigsaw often, yes, it is worth, because a good performing tool cuts down your operating time and makes your job more satisfying at the end of the day. Would I recommend this Jigsaw? 100%. Over comparing it to the old one, which I used to have, this is a drastic improvement. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.